And I want to go ahead and give a very good, pleasant afternoon to each and every one of you. My name is RJ Williams, representing RJ's latest arrivals. Dot Wine, part of the Wine Shop at Home Network. Wanted to come through real quick and give you the gist of what's coming up on our very next virtual tasting event to happen on the 13th of March, 2021. Want to ask you a question real quick. What is your favorite pizza joint? If you go back throughout your life and even currently, I know you have a go to spot. I know there are mom and pop spots out there for you. In Carson, California, when I was growing up, we had Rosario's Pizza. Mom took her three boys there and had a ball there. Really narrow spot in there to eat, but I mean some of the greatest pizza, the greatest service that you can think of. Godfather's Pizza was next. Let me not get the tumbies yet. That's another story. But Godfather's, early 80s to late 80s, some of the best pizza you can ever have. That buttery crust, the pizza sauce with the big chunks of tomato, fresh ingredients all the time. Godfather's was the lick. Tumby's Pizzas is amongst the last places that you can get two for one pizzas, like real pizza. Like Little Caesars don't do that no more, right? So you got Tumby's Pizza. They got 5 locations. This one, I think my brother, and my niece let me know about Tumby's Pizza in Inglewood. That's that location. Shakey's Pizza Parlor, again, a Carson, California staple when I was growing up. Delamo Park was just a few steps away from this spot, and Little League and football teams, whether you won or lost, you came to Shakey's Pizza Parlor for the pizza, the mojos, and the chicken. All you can eat buffet if you were under 12 years old, 30 cents times your age, and that's what you paid for all you can eat buffet, pizza, salad. I think they even had I think they even had different pastas and everything too on that all you can eat great spot. Pizza Man, he delivers, but he didn't deliver to us. They were based in Pasadena. We were in South Central. And they used to tease us with these commercials all the time about Pizza Man, he delivers. One time we called them up and they said they didn't deliver to us. We were mad. Pizza Man teasing us with the commercials. Pizza was bomb. Eventually tried it though. Eventually tried it. Good spot. Del Mar Stuffed Pizza down to San Diego. Monday Night Football, happy hours. This is where you went. The pizza, the beer, it was nice. Edna's is the spot. I used to live in Spring Valley, a suburb or just outside of San Diego. Used to go from Spring Valley all the way to North Park, which there's a bunch of pizza places, fairly decent pizza places between here, between Spring Valley and Edna's. But we traveled the entire way to Edna's because they did it just how they did it. Moved to San Antonio, Texas. You had Big Lou's Pizza. Look in the bottom right hand corner. That's the Big Lou 42. It's actually a food challenge. If you went to Big Lou's Pizza and ordered this, there's a challenge. I think it's for 2 people to try to finish this in a certain amount of time. But at any rate, 42 inches of pizza, Big Lou's, San Antonio. Now I live in the Temecula wine country here in Southern California, Inland Valley, and what have you. And one of my favorite spots, Rosati's. Chicago. This is a family from Chicago. Straight authentic Chicago style pizzas, but they definitely have the hand tossed and stuffed crusts and all that other stuff. Great place to go for happy hour if you can stand all the Chicago Bears memorabilia around the place. If you can stomach that, then Rosati's Pizza is the place for you. I'm going to be going here, as a matter of fact, to get my one of my pizzas for this particular event. I want to get 3 pizzas in total for myself, but I'm bringing my own pizza to this particular party. We're going to pair pizza with these 3 wines during our next virtual tasting event. Bring your own pizza live on Zoom, March 13th, 2021 at 7 p.m. Between 7 and 7:30. I'm going to go ahead and allow that cushion because I want your pizza to be fresh and piping hot and new. I want you to order these 3 bottles from me, have these in front of you. Pizza's going to arrive. We're going to pair these 3 wines with any pizza that you bring in. So no matter what your favorite pizza is, I think that these 3 particular wines, either one or more than one of them, are going to pair perfectly with the pizza that you bring to this event. $80 for these 3 bottles includes tax and shipping from Napa, California, straight to your door. Okay, you can have about 5 to 6 people join in with you on this particular event. You get the bottles, wait for the pizza, log on to Zoom, And I'll be your virtual guide through this, giving you a fun, educational look into the history of pizza and pairing pizza with wines and how and what we're looking for in a great wine when you're talking about the various pizzas that we enjoy. Okay, order your bottles by the 4th of March, 2021. That's sometime next week. We'd like to give about 9 to 10 days to make sure that your bottles arrive in time for the event. So, indeed, want to make sure um, by the 4th you get those orders in. Give me a call at 951-364-34RJ. That's 951-364-3475. I can assist you with your order. I'll give you some information how you can shoot over the funds, and I'll go ahead and place the order on your behalf. Or I can sit with you and navigate with you through the website as you shop for these 3 bottles. Get them in your shopping cart at rjslatestarrivals.wine, and we'll get these bottles out to you. But again, this is going to be a pretty fun night. We got the California Black Musket, which is a rosé, pretty sweet to off-dry rosé. We got the Family Ranch 2019 Lodi Cabernet Franc. So for all you pepperoni pizza lovers, red wine lovers, and pepperoni pizza lovers, this is going to be a perfect marriage and union for you. And then we also have that Fur Blue 2020 Sauvignon Blanc with grapes directly and 100% from the Chilean coast. And I'll be giving you some background that during our program on that particular varietal and how special and rare and humbled we are to be able to have the partnerships that we have with different wineries around the world to bring you these artisan crafted wines from Wine Shop at Home. So, indeed, want to go ahead and thank you so much for joining me on this particular quick promo. But again, that is the Bring Your Own Pizza BYOP Party number 1 virtual food pairing and wine shopping event. We're with you on the 13th of March, Saturday, 7 p.m., 7 to 7:30 p.m. We're going to allow that 30-minute cushion so that for people who are ordering their pizzas and getting them there, we want to make sure that everybody has their favorite pizza from your favorite pizza joint, wherever that is. I mean, make sure you order your go-to spot from your go-to pizza place. Bring it along. Make sure you have these bottles in front of you. It's going to be a good time, you guys. Again, this is RJ with RJ's Latest Arrivals.wine, part of the Wine Shop at Home Network. I thank you so much for your time, and we hope to see you on this event and many more. Thank you.